Hi, I'm Auntie Dawn. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making barbecue stock. I saved the bones from an order of ribs and now I'm going to put them in my pot. Now I'm going to add just enough water to cover them. All right, now that the stock has completed its cycle, I've brought it back inside. I'm going to remove the lid and remove the inner pot. Now I'm going to strain the solids out. And now that these have dripped dry, I can go compost them. Now I can pour through everything that's left. You can see the little bits of the joints that were left on the bones are mostly dissolved, and now that is all in the stock. It's going to thicken up my chili and give it that nice background base barbecue flavor. I'll store it in jars, leaving plenty of headspace just in case I decide to freeze some of this. There'll be a little cap of fat on each of them, and I'll want to remove that before I actually put it into the chili. And here's the barbecue stock.